Oh.
Hey.
Got the bracket on, like they've taken the other one off. Okay, well, you hold that for a sec.
Yeah. I'll locate the tiger seal for you.
Thanks, Pat.
How long did it take to go off?
This?
Yeah.
About 24 hours.
Oh, okay, so
Obviously
we've got time.
the wings bolted on.
Yeah, you've got time. I was going to say, it doesn't go off between you putting that on and then trying to stick the wing on.
The irony is, it's something, I mean, ironically, where all the sealer is,
Yeah.
there was no mud.
Okay. Right, have you got all the bolts and things ready?
No rush.
No.
So this is my first attempt really at repairing a salvage car.
Yeah, the others have been a bit more restoration.
Yeah, well,
They?
yeah, chasing rust.
Yeah, chasing.
Okay, so next piece then, let's get this driver side headlight on. So why on earth did we take the driver side headlight off? Well, obviously we had to replace this, but also one of the brackets, as you saw me replace earlier on, but one of the brackets was actually broken and so had to be replaced. So I bought this kit which replaces the broken off bracket. Means you don't have to buy a headlight. Great, I literally just need to plug the headlight in and then we can ease her in to the space. No, it needs to go behind there, but above there, and then in there like that. And there we are. Thanks. Just want to look in there and see, yeah, that's a thread rather than a screw sort of thread. Which probably means something like you. That works for me. Yeah. Do you line up? You do. Excellent. And then just the final one. Perfect. Happy days. Again, it's the brown plug, because it took me about 10 minutes to figure out earlier on. Wire's a bit short on this one. I'll have a little more, if you don't mind. that one. That lines up on there perfectly. A couple of cloths under that front edge, I think, would be worthwhile, so we don't damage the paint.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. Okay, let's pop you under there. Oh, everyone's a comedian, right?
You need clippers for that.
Stick a couple of 10mm on there, would you?
I would.
Oh yes. See, that's why we put them on. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that'll do for that one.
Can do it. I'll hold it.
Take the glory.
Yeah, take the glory. I feel like it's down at the back a little bit and needs some.
Yeah, we'll deal with it, don't worry.
Okay.
Right.
Right, got it.
Thanks. Time is it?
It's just
12.
12.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Get it?
Yep.
Just take the cloth out.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, that was from the accident.
Oh, is it? Okay. I think it's up higher. It's too high up.
Too
but-
high.
Yeah.
Needs to come forwards.
Yeah.
Okay. Same on the other side, I think. Yeah, I think you're right.
Okay.
So the whole bonnet needs to come this way, needs to go do that a bit.
Okay. Yeah, oh yeah. You can tell, can't you? There's a gap here. See that side. They don't bend there or anything, do they?
What? The hinges?
Yeah.
No?
So-
No, that's all. Yeah? What are you thinking? So that was not ideal. Thanks GoPro battery. Anyway, so long story short, we spent ages getting the bonnet to fit, and there's probably still a little bit of adjustment that is needed. But once we've done that, we got the brand new second-hand bumper on, fitted the high beam lights into the bottom of the bumper, and got all of that back on the car. And so I guess the only thing left for me to do is to do the final reveal and to show you guys out there how the Fiat turned out. So go, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. When we first got the car, there was an airbag light on, the steering cowl was removed, and putting all of that stuff back together again airbag light's gone off. There are no warnings. No warnings on the dashboard for this little car. And it starts and runs like a dream. There we go, 63,000 miles. What a great little car for the money. Turned that off before I gassed myself in the garage. I cannot believe how well this has come out for the money in terms of what we paid at Copart and what we paid for the parts. It's what a great little car, unbelievable. So that's it for this one. Fiat 500 is all done, ready to go. Going to be selling this car, honestly, because we don't need another one, if I'm honest, but it's been a great little project. I've really enjoyed it. So easy to work on. The parts themselves are all really cheap and available on eBay and from breakers yards, wreckers yards, whatever you call them. And yeah, I mean, can I recommend doing this to anybody out there? Well, if you know your way around spanners, you've got some tools, absolutely. Everything's bolt on. There's been no welding here. There's been no cutting here. Everything's bolt off, bolt on. And it's been a really, really easy repair. So yeah, 100% I would recommend, if you've got some spare cash and you've got the desire to do so, there's absolutely nothing stopping you grabbing hold of a modern little Fiat 500 or similar car from Copart, getting it back to your place, fixing it up, and either using it or selling it on. So this little Cat S now is going to be ready for sale. I've just got to get a V5 sorted out, which doesn't cost anything because it's Cat S. DVLA will just send one out off a V62 form, which you can get from the post office, or you can get it online and you can print it off and then take it to the post office. Thanks for watching, and cheers, and I'll see you on the next one.